YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe and the bell notification. Guys, we talking about some Ethereum today. As you guys can see, Ethereum coming in at 346 billion, starting to see a good breakout, up 5% today. Before we get into the video though, I gotta let you know, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just a homie Crypto J, just giving you my views on the market. But don't ever buy anything you see in my videos. That's crazy. Don't buy things off YouTube. As you guys could see though, we're gonna pull up some of these more micro indicators for Ethereum, give you guys my TA on it. Pull up some of these indicators. I like trade with Keltner channel, but as you guys could see, Ethereum coming up on some key resistance right now, but been printing pretty good today, right? Not bad at all, in my opinion. This looks like it could see a breakout. And man, if I can't believe Ethereum dropped all the way down to 1400. I was hoping that it would see a retest of 1100, but that didn't happen. 1400 looks like it might have possibly been the bottom ever since then. Been creating some good higher lows, right? So we'll see what happens. Maybe Ethereum could see a breakout today or possibly tomorrow. If it has a strong daily close, again, this thing could see some growth, right? There's a pretty decent sized gap. So I'm interested to see if that will play out over there on Ethereum. And then also this 4-hour chart, look at this. 4-hour chart looking like a nice breakout, actually. Very nice breakout on the 4. The 3-hour, again, seeing a little bit of volatility, right? The 1 looking strong. And then again, I don't trade usually on these smaller time intervals, but yeah, Ethereum's looking pretty strong right now on the weekly too. Looking like, again, you could see how big that gap is. I was telling you guys, there's a pretty good sized gap, right? All the way up to 3,200. So maybe Ethereum decides it wants to print. Wow. Ethereum looking really good on the weekly. And we know that Ethereum is needed. I mean, you need Ethereum for a lot of stuff, including buying on base, right? A lot of people bullish on base too. You need Ethereum. But look at this. Look at this gap right here on the monthly. Wow. Ethereum has a pretty decent size gap, right? Still has a little bit of resistance up here, but again, very interesting. Looking like this thing might even go on a run all the way up to like 3,300. Might see Ethereum really start to pull away. Interesting, interesting. Are you bullish on Ethereum? Are you bearish on it? How do you feel about this? Ethereum has been lacking volume on the year, but again, I was saying Ethereum got to start seeing something. Look at this breakout, man. I thought, man, it was looking disgusting, right? But look at this, man. This is a big breakout for Ethereum. I feel like this is a big deal. Some people starting to see it. Some people saying ETH, fly, baby. ETH is number 2, man. $346 billion. And again, it's been lacking in volume, but maybe Ethereum's going to start asserting some dominance. You know, it's getting more by volume now than XRP. At one point, I thought XRP was going to flip Ethereum. Now it's looking like people are okay, ETH, right? Even Solana is up, you know, decent amount, but again, market cap wise, can't really compare. The fact that ETH is up 5%, this is a big deal. This is a big deal. Been making a lot of ETH videos, guys. I told you, I think ETH could even go as high as like 20K this cycle. So I do still think it's possible. Look at this gap, man. ETH is looking nice, dude. Looking like a nice bull flag formed. Broke out. Interesting. Wow. Wow. Again, I'm not telling you to go out and buy this stuff. I already told you don't do it. You know, always, you know, do your research on things and make sure it's a result of what you want to do. Look. Oh, wow. ETH is looking good, man. ETH is looking good. Maybe this thing's going to see a big run similar to like right here, right? This is what I'm thinking. It's going to see something similar to right here. Mark my words. I'm thinking ETH somewhere between 15 and 20, you know, in this cycle. So we'll see, though. We'll see. Maybe I'm crazy. What do you guys think? You guys think I'm crazy for saying that? A lot of people, again, talking about how bullish they are on ETH, super bullish. Maybe we'll start seeing ETH trending. I mean, this is kind of nuts. A lot of people seeing it. This ETH breakout, it's a big deal. It's a big deal. ETH needed to see something, so in my opinion, this breakout's a big deal. It can be a big deal. We'll see though. We'll see again. Can ETH close this gap, or again, it's going to start seeing some rejection? Maybe Bitcoin starts seeing some rejection too. Bitcoin coming in now close to 110. In my opinion, Bitcoin, the market looking good. It's rocking and rolling, which is surprising because, again, we have so much speculation, right? Yeah, we have so much speculation that is going on in the market right now. This guy thinking that BTC might break down. I mean, we're pretty much at a point where we're either going to break down or we have room to break up above. I mean, come on. Look at this daily chart now starting to look a little bit grim as we start seeing some sell-off even at the time of the video. Man, this has been crazy. That's why I tell you guys, you got to hit that subscribe button because we follow a lot of these charts each and every day. But one chart that we have to look at always is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, super important right now. As you guys could see, did we have a rejection off the daily? We need to have a strong daily close today, guys. Super important that the daily close is positive. We've seen some good price action today, yeah, but again, we need to have a good solid close. Now it's still like 9 a.m. so we still have time in the day, but again, we got to start seeing some bullish price action out of Bitcoin. This is going to be very big, important week, really, going into the weekend. I say the next 3 days is going to be very telling, guys. It's going to be very telling. You can mark my words right now. I'm saying it right now. I think the next 3 days, very telling. That's going into the weekend too. Well, no, all the way to, I'd say until Sunday. I mean, we'll know pretty much by tomorrow evening, in my opinion, or maybe by Friday, but I mean, maybe we could still form a bull flag here. We got to get this daily up. You can see they're a little bit chewing away at it. Maybe again, we could form a bull flag and we could start breaking up above this. There's so much civil unrest right now. So much speculation in the market. Again, we formed a wedge here. We broke out. We could see how we formed a wedge here and then we had a big run up. Maybe we, create another wedge and then this thing starts taking off. Hopefully, now it's kind of starting to look like we might see a retest, again, even on the 1 hour. Interesting. That one day we need a solid close on this. Otherwise, this is looking like a possible rejection. Interesting, man. Interesting. What a volatile day today. The weekly still looking solid, though. The weekly looking like it might want to make a stretch, right? Interesting. You never know what's going to happen in cryptocurrency. Also, our monthly looking like if this thing breaks out of the zone, this could be pretty big. Man. Interesting. How is June gonna play out, guys? You let me know in the comment section below and I will check you in the next video. Peace.